Hi guys, our lesson for today is all about order of algebraic operations and substitutions. So there are a number of operations in mathematics. You have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These operations in algebra work in the same way as they do with ordinary numbers. So for example, 6 plus 7. This is the same as 7 plus 6. Or if you have A plus B, that is the same as B plus A. And this is what we call the commutative property of addition. That means changing the order of addends does not change the sum. Okay, let us have more. Is 7 plus P is the same as P plus 7? Yes, that's right. So 7 plus P is equal to 7P plus 7. So whatever the order you have, as long as you have addition, so they'll always be equal. Make sure both 7 and P are positive. Okay. How about in this case? If you have 7 minus M, is it equal to M minus 7? Correct. That's exactly correct. Okay. So in this case, they are not equal. Why? Because in this case, in here, 7 is positive, while on the other side, 7 is negative. Okay. Also in here, M is negative, and in here, M is positive. So they are not equal. Okay. So sometimes you want to work out an expression for a particular value of a variable. To do this, you need to substitute that value for the letter in the expression. Okay. For example, what is the value of 5t minus 7v when t is equal to 4 and v is equal to 2? All right. So all you have to do is substitute t by 4 and substitute v by 2. So we can say that 5 multiplied by 4 minus 7 multiplied by 2. So to perform the operation, this is 5 times 4, that is 20, minus 7 times 2 is 14, and then 20 minus 14 is 6. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, what about if you have, what is the value of 12 minus w over 3 when w is equal to 21? So all you have to do is change w by 21 from the expression. So you have 12 minus, so substitute w by 21 divided by 3. Okay, so in this case, you have to apply your order of operations. So in this case, we have to divide first before we subtract. So this is 12 minus 21 divided by 3 is 7. And then 12 minus 7, that is equal to 5. All right, so that is the value of expression 12 minus w over 3 when w is equal to 21. Let's have some more examples. So in if p is equal to 2 and Q is equal to 6. Find the value of, let's say, uh, 3 plus 2p. Okay, so all you have to do is 3 plus 2 times p is 2. You have to multiply first, bracket first, okay, from your both mass or bid mass, and that is 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. Okay, what about if you have 4p plus 6q minus 20? Okay, try to pause your video and then try to answer the problem. All right, so when p is 2, so that is 4 times 2 plus substitute q by 6 minus 20. Okay, so 4 times 2 is 8 plus 6 times 6 is 36 minus 20. Also, in this case, we have to follow the both mass left to and left to right. So addition first. So 8 plus 36 is 44 minus 20. So 44 minus 20, that is 24. Okay, so that's the value of expression 4p plus 6q minus 20. Okay, last one. What if you have t is equal to 30 and u is equal to 50 and v is equal to 60? So calculate. So v plus 2u. Okay, so all we have to do is 60. Since v is equal to 60 plus 2, substitute u by 50. So 50. Then do the bracket first before we add to 60. So 60 plus 100. 2 times 50 is 100. So 60 plus 100 is 160. What about if you have division? So we have v over 10 minus t over 6. So again, the same process, substitute v by 60. So 60 divided by 10 minus t is 30 over 6. So we simplify 60 over 10. We cut this one, so 6 divided by 1 is 6 minus 30 divided by 6 is 5. And then 6 minus 5 is 1. So that's the answer. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye.